Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to achieve scroll to top animation using JavaScript for the web. So here you can see I have a list of divs, and if I scroll at the very bottom, if I click on the scroll to top page, here you can see I have scrolled to the very top. Show it to you one more time. Here you can see I have scrolled to the top. So let's see how to do this in JavaScript. So firstly, inside my index.html I have taken one button, and here I have applied some styling of position fixed, bottom right 20 pixel, padding 10 and 20 pixel, background color and border. Then I have just added a bunch of divs so that I can get the scrolling effect. So here you can see nothing special. And inside main.ts, or this could be a JavaScript file as well, once you click on the button, I am just calling smooth scroll to top. So this is the function for it. So here I have set the duration as 2000 second 2 seconds, and you can set it as 1 second as well. Currently we first need to find what is the start position. So for that you can use window.scroll y. Previously we used to use page y offset, but it is deprecated. Next, end equal to 0. Then we calculate the change, end minus start. We also assign a variable of start time, and here I am just creating a function called animation. And if the start time is equal to null, is not equal to null, then start time equal to current time. Otherwise we are finding the elapsed time, which is current time minus start time, and then we calculate the progress as well, which is math.min time elapsed, duration, and here we pass 1 second. And here we do window.scroll to. So if you see, it takes an x and a y value. So for the x value it is 0, and for the y value it is start plus change into progress. Now if the time elapsed is less than duration, we just call request animation frame and pass our function to it. And here again, outside of it also we pass the same thing, request animation frame animation. So that's how we can achieve scroll to top animation using JavaScript for web. Thank you for watching. Bye.